Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of LangChain and explore the concept of prompt templates. Don't worry if you're new to this, we'll break it down into simple, everyday examples. So, let's get started. What are prompts? Prompts are like questions or tasks that we give to an AI model. Imagine you're teaching a child how to add numbers. You might say, "What is 2 plus 2?" That's a prompt. In LangChain, we use prompts to instruct the AI model on what we want it to do. It's like giving a child a math problem to solve. The problem guides the child's thinking and helps them arrive at the correct answer. Why do we use prompts in LangChain? Just like how we need to ask a question to get an answer, we need to give our AI model a prompt to get a response. Prompts guide the AI and help it understand what we want. It's like giving a topic for an essay. The essay can be about anything, but the topic helps focus the writing. It's the difference between asking a student to write an essay and asking them to write an essay about the environmental impacts of deforestation. The second prompt is more specific and guides the student's writing. Prompt templates. Now, imagine you have to ask similar questions multiple times, just with different numbers. Instead of repeating the whole question, you create a template. What is number 1 plus number 2? Here, number 1 and number 2 are placeholders that can be filled with any numbers. This is what we call a prompt template in LangChain. It's like creating a recipe template. You might have a template for a salad that says mix ingredient 1 and ingredient 2 with a dressing of your choice. You can then fill in the ingredients based on what you have in your fridge. Connecting to a feature store. Think of a feature store as a library. You've written several books or created several prompt templates, and you want to store them in a library or a feature store so that others can easily find and use them. Connecting your prompt templates to a feature store in LangChain allows you to do just that. It's like an author donating their books to a library. Once the books are in the library, anyone can access them. Custom prompt template. Sometimes, you might want to create your own unique prompt templates, tailored to your specific needs. It's like designing a custom invitation for a themed party. You create an invitation template that reflects the theme of your party, and then fill in the details for each guest. It's like creating a pirate-themed invitation for a pirate-themed party. The invitation sets the tone for the party and lets the guests know what to expect. Few-shot examples. Few-shot examples are a way to teach the AI model by showing it a few examples of what you want it to do. It's like showing a child a few examples of how to tie a shoelace before asking them to do it themselves. After seeing a few examples, the child understands the process and can tie the shoelace on their own. Message prompt templates. These are specific types of templates used for different types of messages. It's like having different templates for writing emails, text messages, and formal letters. Each type of communication has its own style and format, and so does each type of message in LangChain. It's like choosing between a casual email to a friend, a formal email to a colleague, and a business letter to a client. Each situation requires a different style of communication. Partial prompt templates. Partial is a method where you fill in some of the variables in a prompt template in advance, creating a new template that only requires the remaining variables. It's like filling out some fields in a form in advance, and leaving the rest to be filled out later. It's like filling out your name and address on a job application form in advance, and filling out the rest of the details later when you have more time. Prompt composition. This is about combining multiple prompts together. It's like creating a multi-course meal by combining several individual dishes. Each dish is good on its own, but when combined, they create a complete meal. It's like combining a salad, a main course, and a dessert to create a full meal. Prompt serialization. This is about storing prompts as files, making it easy to share, store, and version them. It's like saving a document as a PDF file, which can then be easily shared and opened on any device. It's like saving your resume as a PDF and emailing it to potential employers. Validate template. This is a feature that checks whether the variables in the template match the input variables. It's like a spell checker that checks your document for any spelling errors before you save it. It's like checking your shopping list before you go to the store. You want to make sure you have everything you need before you leave. And that's it for today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of prompt templates in LangChain. Remember, the key to mastering this is practice. So, don't hesitate to get your hands dirty and start creating your own prompt templates. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such informative content. Until next time, happy learning!